Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. This dance is very special to me because I had the pleasure of dancing and creating the demo with the choreographer, Gwen. So I hope you love it as much as we do. But before I get started, don't forget to hit that like, share, leave me any comments, let Gwen know how much you love her dance. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button.
Oh, I'm so over calling my mama. Yeah, and all my friends are tired of hearing all my drama. Sitting at home in my pajamas when I got a new dress hanging in my closet. Ooh, yeah, I think I'm gonna put it on. I think I'm gonna show it off and give it all I got. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna dance away my broken heart, like I never even loved him. Throw my hands up when the music starts. Shake off these scars like he got nothing left on me. Gonna find a new rhythm till I forget him. Gonna move on to the memory fades. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna dance away my broken heart, Ooh, oh, 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 Talk like an handsome across the room. I let him spin me round. I let him make a move because I can't. Now that you're gone and I'm moving on, like there ain't nothing wrong. Tonight I'm gonna dance away my broken heart, like I never even loved him. Throw my hands up when the music starts. Shake off these scars like he got nothing left on me. Gonna find a new rhythm till I forget him. Gonna move on to the memory fades. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna dance away my broken heart, Ooh, oh, oh, oh. My broken heart, baby. My broken heart. Here we go. And it's a couple steps to the left. I forget how we lift and move to the right. And it starts to feel alright again. Drop it low, cause I ain't feeling low no more. Leave it all on the floor. And I'm gonna dance away my broken heart, like I never even loved him. Throw my hands up when the music starts. Shake off these scars like he got nothing left on me. Gonna find a new rhythm till I forget him. Gonna move on to the memory fades. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna dance away my broken heart, Ooh, oh, oh, oh. My broken heart, baby. Dance away, dance away, dance away now.
Thanks for watching. See you next dance.